Hey guys, it's Chrisu, and I'm back with another scouting video. Today, I'm going to do these 3 Choose Your UR tickets that I have here. I looked it up. This apparently goes up to the 7 Lucky Gods set, which means that Harvest Mari should, in theory, be in here. So I should finally be able to get the last UR of Mari's that I need. Plus, I'm going to also choose a couple other URs that I really want, that I don't have. So, yeah. I'm really excited because this will mean that I have every non-limited Mari that there is available. So, let's go ahead. I think the rates are actually, like, oh my god, okay, 2 URs. One of them is guaranteed to be that, and the other one is Teach Hanamaru. Yeah, I was gonna say, the rates for this, I believe, are 20% UR, so we'll get 1 guaranteed UR plus extra URs, possibly, so... Finally, my Mari collection is complete. I'm so happy, at least until her next UR comes out. She just got one, so I'm hoping that we're a bit in the future for that. Otherwise, no new SRs, no new SSRs, and I got the Teacher Maru, which I've gotten a couple times, so she'll be a UR sticker, and a skill up, or a whatever, you know. So I was thinking, like, what is the other URs that I want to do? I want to grab... So Riko's my second best girl. So I want to grab this Riko because I think she's really cute, really pretty. So let's go ahead and do this one. A 2 URs again. Oh my god, it's so exciting! Oh, the Zaya! I got the pair! Oh my god, 3 URs! I know that the rate is 20%, but it's still super, super exciting. Did I have that Daya? I did, but I didn't have Wedding Kanon, so... I don't really know what to say! So... Okay, we got this Riko. One of my favorite Rikos. We got this Kanon. Not necessarily one of my favorite Kanons, but, you know, all Kanons are good. And then we got this Daya, who I did already have. Now, I actually haven't decided who I want to do for my last, because I'm kind of like tossing it up between Little Devil Yohane and China Dress Yohane and, a couple other Rikos, like 7 Lucky Gods Riko. So I'm just having a quick look here, and I think if I grab 7 Lucky Gods Riko, I'll have every non-limited Riko UR. So I think I'm gonna do that if she's in here. Oh, she's not. Oh, it's up to, not including. Okay. Yeah, because I have Dancer. I have all these, so let's take a look and see. Oh, I could get Valentine's Daya. She's cute. I like her. Valentine's Yo is good. Gosh, it's hard to pick. I think I'll pick Little Devil. Do I want Little Devil? Let me just have a look here. I have the School Idol website open. Let me see what they look like idolized, because I don't quite remember. Let's see. Yeah, I don't have the Christmas one, don't have Little Devil, don't have the theme park one. There's a lot of Yohane ones that I'm missing. She's my 3rd best Muse girl. Which one do I like more? Little Devil or... I don't have the Christmas one either. Is that in here? It is. I don't have Corn Yohane. It doesn't really matter because my teams are all 3rd years, so anything that I get is just for collection purposes. I think actually if I get Valentine's Daya, I'll have all of Daya's URs, so that'd be kind of cool. Kanan's got some URs that I'm missing. Ooh. It's hard to choose because they're all really good, you know? I think I will pick Little Devil Yohane for my last one. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, 3 URs again! If I could get... I don't have that one! There's Little Devil. And a duplicate. I'm gonna get so many UR stickers out of this. Wow, that was so good! Okay, Little Devil Yohane. New Year's Yohane, and then Valentine's Mari. Whew, that was exciting. I'm going to sell some SRs, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I might actually do one in Muse, because I'm missing some Honoka URs, and now that I have Autumn Mari, I don't feel the need, I guess, to scout an Aqua right now. So let's do some Muse pulls. I have quite a few Aqua cards, so okay, Fairy Mari, who I have. I mean, I'm not expecting any URs because we've got 3, 6, like 8 URs today, 9 URs today. Constellation Rin! I don't have her! I don't actually have that many Rin URs, so... Wow, okay. Today's been wild. So, we got Harvest Mari. Well, we actually got more than this because some of these are duplicates. We got Teacher Maru. Harvest Mari. What is the name of this set? Whatever this set is, Daya, Kanan, Wedding Kanan, the same, I think it's called like Summer Nights, Rico, Valentine V1 Mari, New Year's Yohane, Little Devil Yohane, and Constellation Rin today. That's wild, y'all. That's crazy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!